Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use your voice to command something in ChatGPT. So you can use this without typing, and let's go over there. So to be able to use this feature, all you have to do is go over to your Chrome Web Store and search for voice control for ChatGPT extension here. Add that to your Chrome, and once added you just have to refresh your ChatGPT and then you can use this feature. Okay, so if you're using it for the first time, make sure you allow your microphone to be used here on the prompt here, like that, and you should be good to go. So for example, we want to command ChatGPT. So let's try and command that. So, hi, what is the date today? So there, all you have to do is press the E and press enter here, and you can add.
Hello, today's date is September 6th, 2020.
So as you can see, it also has text to speech,
Hello, today's date is
and there, guys. So that is how you can easily use this feature, guys, this extension, and it is very useful. So it has a couple of features here, so you can go ahead and explore this one. And there, guys. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.